Welcome back to Kim's Creations. I told you this piece was going to make a comeback, and I found the perfect thing to put on it, and I think it's going to be a tree stencil. So that's what I'm going to work on. I have some golden regular gel gloss, which I am going to put down first, and then I am going to make my tree in caramel drizzle by this little piggy. So that's what we're going to do. And let's get started here. So I'm just going to start with the gel gloss, and then we'll mix up some piggies. So I can see this is lifting quite easily. I have to be very careful. I'm sure you guys have seen lots of people do the stencils. I just went off the side there a little bit. Just how I got the idea for it. Putting down the gel gloss just, one, helps to seal your stencil down, but two, it helps to give this a 3D look. And it's something for your colors to adhere to when you put it on. Stop lifting. I don't know, we'll see how this one goes. It's the first time doing it, so who knows? Gel gloss in here, and some piggies. And again, this was caramel drizzle. With the gel gloss, you can just mix the piggies right into it. Gel gloss does act like a binder. Try not to make too much of a mess. That looks pretty well mixed. Put the lid back on my jar. And now let's apply the piggy. Luscious color. made enough. I got it. Now we remove the tape. Down. Oh. I'm just going to lift this stencil up. Oop, knock my glasses into this. Ta-da! Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Clean you guys up. Yeah. For my first go, that's pretty darn good. I missed a couple areas just off the side here and a little bit in through there, but otherwise, you know, really, you wouldn't be able to tell. I love it. All right, short and sweet. Till next time, bye for now.